So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find condos for rent here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go to the rent tab right here and then type in your location. I'll use Scottsdale in this video as an example. Now, if you're looking to specifically rent a condo compared to an apartment, go to the top here to where it says home type and make sure that condo is selected. Go to the bottom, press on done right here. Another way you can do this as well is just go to filters right here, scroll down to where it says home type, make sure that condo is selected, and you guys can see homes this way. So super straightforward, extremely simple. That is how you guys can find condos for rent here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.